Welcome back to PPM Racing Products. We're back here on Tech Tuesday with our body brace kits. A lot of people ask us what makes ours different than others. Well, let's get into that. We have right here is our right side standard kit made out of 1/8 inch aluminum. It's pre-bent on the bottom door for a 45-degree angle. Has all your pre-hole drills for your body brace supports to come off the chassis and to rivet through the door and quarters. Now this kit comes with just the bottom door piece, your top and bottom quarter panel pieces, and your C-channel for the flopper brace. We do offer for all of our right side kits, it's an extra add-on, but we offer, okay, it's easier going the other way. We offer an extra right side piece for the upper door. Used to, guys could just use the door bar as their support, but now the way the bodies are made and everything else, you almost have to have this. But we don't put it in our kits just for the fact of it's one of them pieces that a lot of people really don't need. Whenever they're replacing some things, normally that piece stays the same, but we offer it just in case. So you can get that with either of the right side kits, and now you're wondering, how's there two? Well, the other right side is our heavy. This is made out of 1/4 inch aluminum. Again, same dimensions, pre-drilled, pre-cut, and pre-bent, but just in 1/4 inch aluminum, except on the top of the quarter panel, it is standard 1/8 inch aluminum. And your C-channel is also 1/4. A lot of people ask us on these, Hunter, why is the heavy, why is it so much better? Well, I mean, when you take a hit, it doesn't bend as easy, but it does weigh a lot. A lot of our crate guys love just the standard 1/8 inch aluminum kits. And we also offer a left side kit. It comes with 2 of these 90-degree pieces, your top and bottom quarter panel pieces, and a 90-degree flopper brace. You can get these today, your standard thickness of 1/8 inch, you can get it for $129.99 per side. And you can get the heavy for $149.99 for your right side. We do not offer that in the left side, but if you call us, we can make it for you. So go ahead and order yours today at ppmracingproducts.com or give us a call at 865-354-9669. And guys, we'll see y'all next Tuesday.